This is the story of Japan Airlines Flight 123. But a long time ago, the plane has gotten a tail strike. 8. While the plane was approaching, the plane was actually having small problems when they landed. As the throttle eased, the pilots made the plane land, but the tail hit the ground. When the plane landed, the plane had a very bad tail strike. All of this actually got fixed, but it wasn't fixed properly after the other flights. Japan Airlines Flight 123 takes off at Tokyo International Airport, known as Haneda International Airport, to Osaka. Even with the tail strike, the plane managed to take off the ground, but not for long. High above the mountains, something is a bit wrong. The tail broke. The pilot's first instinct was to go to Haneda Airport, even though there was even a closed airport. The flight suddenly stalled, but the pilot suddenly managed something. If the pilots put on full throttle, the plane actually goes higher. And if they go slow, they actually go down. So what the pilots did was that they put down the landing gear. Actually, there was 23 minor injuries when the pilot's tail struck, and on 2 serious injuries. But now, the passengers in Flight 123 is feeling the more worse. But a few minutes later, looking at the elevators, after the impact, even the elevators broke. The pilot pulls the plane back up while using speed. Without elevators, this is how they survive. 31 minutes later, the plane already descended fast. The plane was hopeless until they saw a mountain in front of them. And then they made a collision with a mountain ahead. But it wasn't all. After the first collision, the plane went upside down, and the plane first impact, it was the back. But soon later, it was actually the wing. Smoke started turning on, and then the engine of the wing start burning. Now there's a big explosion. 520 people died, but 4 only survived.